When we start an app streaming session from the control panel, we will see that there is a streaming link on the top side of our web browser. Now about this streaming link, we can easily anonymize it. Let's see how. Click on your application in the control panel. Next, click on the Edit Config icon for your application. Here on the bottom right side of the common settings, you will see the option of Anonymize URL. Turn on this option and save your settings. Now start your application stream. Here you will see that your stream link structure is replaced with anonymous character strings, thus anonymizing your streaming link. Thanks for watching the video. To know about our Unreal Engine Pixel streaming service, visit our website www.eagle3dstreaming.com or contact our support system